Hello traders, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about MetaTrader 5 platform. We had other three sessions that we talked about some other details, and now we are going to continue. The first two tabs, which we talked about before, was server and charts. Today, we are going to continue with trade tab. There are four inputs in this tab, which are symbol, volume, deviation, and stop levels. So let's start with the first one. In symbols, we have three different modes, which is automatic, last used, and by default. When you choose the first one, which is automatic, it will automatically choose the chart you're on it, like Euro USD or GBP USD. The second mode is the last used. So when you want to open a new order, it will show you the last symbol which you use to open a new position. And the third option is by default. So when you choose by default, you will see this option is on now and you can choose your symbol. Each symbol you choose will always appear on new orders window when you want to open a new position. So let's see what is the difference between them. I choose by default and GBP USD. I click on OK and right here you can see that your default symbol is GBP JPY, and if you change this option to last used, let me do it for you. If you change it to last used and open a position on, let me say, GBP CAD, I want to open a new position. Okay, we have the position here, and now if we want to open another position on this symbol, and we are now on Euro USD chart, and we click on new order, it will open GBP CAD by default. This is the last position which was opened. Let's move to the second parameter, which is volume. You have last used and by default. So I will set it by default to 0.01, and from now on, whenever I want to open a new position and I click on new orders button, I will see this default value right here. And here you can choose deviation. Deviation shows the difference between the price you send to the market and the price where the position is filled or order is filled. The next parameter is stop levels. In here we have two options. First is with prices and the second is in points. If you choose the prices and you want to open a new order, here you should enter the price where you want the stop loss and take profit to be. But if you choose this option, which is in points, and you open a new order again, here you can see just a zero. It means that you need to set or enter the points for stop loss and take profit, and it means the distance between the open price and your stop loss or your take profit. And the last checkbox you can see right here is one click trading. When this is unchecked, when you click on one click trading box and click on buy or sell, no difference, this window will appear and it doesn't let you to open a position or have a position just with one click. But if you set this to true or check this box and click on OK, you can easily have position just with one click. You can see that I have my Euro USD position right here just with one clicking. Okay traders, I want to introduce you our sales page on MQ5 where we sell high quality products on MetaTrader 5 language. We have made some indicators like basic swing detector, smart squeeze, one of the most popular trading view indicators, basic order block and breaker block, and also a risk reward calculator, which you have seen before in this video. There are lots of information about these products that you can find them, and you can buy these products easily. So if you don't know how to download this product, you can watch the above video. Okay, traders, now let's talk about Expert Advisors tab. In this tab, first option is to allow algorithmic trading. So whenever you want to use an expert advisors to send orders to the market, you should check this option so that your expert advisors have access to send an order to the market directly. There are four options that you can disable algorithmic trading. They are critical. First is to disable when the account has been changed, because sometimes you change your account and you don't want the expert advisors to be run on the other account. Next one is to disable algorithmic trading when the profile has been changed. There is an option on MetaTrader 5 which is profile that will save the data about indicators on your charts, the data of the charts, colors, and objects on the chart. It's for the time that you want to go from a package to the other. So when this option is checked and when you change your profile, this algorithmic trading will be disabled. The next one is to disable when the chart or symbol has been changed, because sometimes expert advisors work on specific chart, specific symbol, and specific time frame. And the last one is to disable when you are using Python API. The next option here is to allow DLL imports that it's potentially dangerous. And the reason is that when you check this one and you buy an expert advisor from people out there, they may have access to your private data or your private files. So it's dangerous potentially. But if you're sure that this DLL function is something that helps you in trading and not having access to your files, it can be good. The next option is to allow web requests for listed URL. Here, for example, I have nfs.faireconomy.media, which is a domain for Forex Factory. I entered this here to have access to Forex Factory news feed. Now, when this one is checked and the address is here, I can have access to the Forex Factory news feed from my expert advisors just by using web request function in the codes of those expert advisors. So these two tabs, trade and expert advisors, covered completely. In the next video, we are going to talk about the other tabs and then we will move on to trade operations. Thank you for watching this video. With TradeX, trade fast and think smart. Thank you for watching.